Part of the MISFIT project is to look at women aged 50 and over, and how we can keep them active as they age and keep them healthy without the risk of injury through technology, through the appropriate footwear, and through the appropriate leggings. We want to test our prototypes with the women. We want to get feedback, and we want to improve and co-design our products and our MISFIT service.
So there's a huge gap in the market of footwear that's suitable for these women, as well as widths. So there's only one width sold in a lot of sports footwear. And so we want to make sure that when you're performing these like high intensity sports, that you have footwear that is suitable for you.
There's no research, and that our bodies as women, especially as we age, go through a lot of changes. And no one's really looked at that and how that impacts how we go on about our daily life, and how we age as well.
So it's really important in terms of development innovation in that space to enable women within sports, to help them perform better, to put them on the world stage, and to just give everybody a happier, healthier life.
Everyone's been super engaging, so very willing to share their experiences. These women love to talk and they want to share this because people haven't listened historically.
It's very important to look at this age group, and when we do and go out and speak to people, they're like, finally someone is talking to us, finally someone's thinking about making shoes for us, someone out there knows that we have very different needs.
It's really, really inspiring actually to see the work that's being done, and I felt very much today that we were being listened to, which is very important.
I think today's session has been very useful, I think, for all of us, for the actual creators and for the users, because we are the ones in the end who are going to be the people buying the product.
We have definitely learned how important it is to design with users and co-design with them, so having that iterative process where you create something and then you get feedback and then you adjust it and create something new. I think we've never done this before for our projects, and it's something that we will continue to do.
I mean, I would say user engagement is the core of product development. And so here you have a dedicated time slot where you can really deep dive, and I feel like it's very useful for other companies to be able to have that opportunity and be able to put time into learning about the user who historically maybe has never been able to share their experience.
We're hoping that this will open the door for other projects to get interested in this particular age group. So we kind of want to, I guess, like shine a light on the fact that there's a lack of research, there's a gap in this research, and we want to start filling it. I would highly recommend people to speak to users, design with your users.